Hey everyone, let's stick with us versus herd. If it's your first time here, let the content, hit subscribe. If you haven't yet subscribed to our new live stream channel, link is below in the description, along with links to our Discord and our free options trading group on Facebook if you want to join the UvH fam, our community. So I hope you all had a safe New Year's. Happy New Year 2020. We're in it. We're back in it. Bulls are running all over the place. Futures are up right now. And I haven't done a watch list in a while, just mainly because of stocks haven't been moving that much, and we've been waiting for a catalyst. We've been waiting for the holidays to be over, and here we are. So I'm doing another watch list for you guys. Hope it's helpful. If it is, leave a comment below, hit the like button, let me know what you guys are looking at. Let me know what you guys are trading. Definitely want to stay involved with you guys and seeing what you do with the way that you trade in terms of the stocks that you're looking at, because we're all looking at different things. Anyways, let's get to it. Looking at first Boeing. I'm currently long above 330, and I liked it revisited the lower 320s the other day, came back up, popped up. I'm looking to exit my position around 337, 338 area. I do think that it's going to tag 340 again, but if you're looking at the 1 year here, you know, it did double top here, so I'm not going to try to push it. I'm going to try to exit my position around probably 336, 337. Probably won't push 338, you know, just trying to be safe on Boeing. And the reason why stocks are running right now is because of there's really no downside catalyst, and also Trump confirmed the signing of the White House of the phase 1 deal January 15th. So stocks are running due to that as well, which kind of goes into my next stock is BIDU. BIDU I'm looking at, and I did have an alert here set today. You can see here I set this a few weeks ago. If it breaks 129.50, it's right here. It says gap fill. I want to put a trade on in terms of the gap fill, and I failed to do so. At 8:31, I was triggered the alert, and I didn't, and I instantly regret it. And that's why it's so important. Like I was saying in the live stream today, it's so important to do your research and stick to that research, because you can plan your entries and your exits based on your research, whether you do it a week ago, many weeks ago, months ago, whatever. When a stock hits your targets, you have to go back to that. You can't just ignore it. And I ignored it today. And this is what happens when you ignore it. I alerted myself that above 129.50, there's going to be a gap fill. It alerted me today, 129.50, and it ran, you know, a solid $5 here before we had a $2 pullback. But all day it's up $11. You know, we could have had some crazy gains in there. I mean, these options today were off the chain, 7,000%, 6,000%, 3,000%, and for next week, you know, still 800%, 500%, 1,000% on some of these contracts. So, I mean, it's just insane, and we could have captured that, and that's I deserve to lose. I didn't lose on the trade, but I didn't gain anything. But I did the research. It met my conditions, and I didn't trade it. So, you know, it's my fault. But I am still watching this trade, because now that we are here, we're in the middle of a gap fill. What I would like to see at open tomorrow, maybe pull back to 135, 134 area, so that way I can get long in here. You know, it could just push back up. You know, the only pullback today we saw was a $2 pullback, which was around 10:30 a.m. Central Time. But that was it. We didn't see any other pullback all day today in BIDU, and I was really looking for more of a pullback. I should have pulled the trigger here, and because, you know, it ran up another $4 after it hit like the 134s, went up to 138, almost 139 at close. So, you know, that's what you get. That's what I get. You know, did the research, and here we are. So I'm looking for a pullback 135, 134 area, and then I would like to go long, because there's, you know, it's pretty good to like 150, 155 area right now. Next up on my list is also Netflix. Let's get to it. Netflix. So Netflix sold off last few days. Today it came back up, was up 2%, up $6. You know, it hit 320. It did top out around 336, 338 area, you know, which it visited in July, and then again in December 20th, and December 23rd, and then we tapped the 320 area again, pushed up. What I would like to see is it just hang above 330, 331, I would probably get long. I'm probably looking to get long like 332 area for it to push back up to 336. So I'm looking to get long around probably 331.50, 332 area to 336, 337, and then we'll see if we can, you know, I want it to be another gap fill, but right now it's having a hard time getting above like 337, 338. So, you know, you got to be careful about NFLX. Might sell some premium. We got IV on the uptick here. So I might be looking at selling some premium in there tomorrow. We'll see what we can happen if we get a little bit of pullback at open. You know, we made some money on the pullbacks last week, and you know, really nice two-sided action there on Tuesday. On Monday, I mean, on Monday we didn't really get that much. On Tuesday, what was this, Tuesday? Yeah, this was Tuesday. Sorry. The holidays have my days. I have my days all screwed up due to the holidays. Yeah, Tuesday, you know, really didn't do anything. Nice consolidation day to add. Could have added in here and been up to 328, 329 today. So, you know, like I said, I'm really excited about the stock market again, that it's finally moving, you know, dollars, multiple dollars, $10, $15 a day. You know, we had Amazon. I'm not really trading Amazon right now, but I will bring it up in terms of a stack. I'm not looking at it tomorrow. I want to see it break above 1900 realistically. It's kind of chilling here. Last time it was here, got rejected hard back down to 1830. So fell 70 points in 3 days. So we'll see if it has enough momentum to push above it, because then most likely we'll be able to get long till 1950. ROKU is one that I'm looking at for tomorrow. In particular, today we had a very nice consolidation day. You know, today it was consolidating but moving up very nicely. You know, it did sell off in the morning, but you got to be careful. I do like the 135 call here. If it could stay above 135, I would buy the in the money 135 call. You know, and ride it to like 145 area, 140 area is really my target on that for next week. But you know, last time I traded in here, had a nice pop, got out at like 138 area. Really great profit. We're back in this area, so it's back in my buy zone. So the one thing that you have to be careful about is the consolidation period. I want to see if it's going to consolidate tomorrow, or it's going to push higher before I try to add to this position, because last time, you know, Theta and IV really killed me in here, and then, you know, I got some nice movement. If it wasn't for this pop here, you know, definitely would have got bled out, because you got to be careful about your entries, got to be careful about consolidation. It does like this area for consolidation, so that's really what I'm looking for on ROKU. So, you know, this is a kind of a quick, short and sweet video. Drop me a comment. If you watch this video to the end, comment watch to the end. Definitely appreciate you. As always, stay safe, stay green. It's us versus herd.